Guys, welcome back to my page. This is Swati. Today I brought you new video that is a staircase. If you are also doing same like me, if you are trying to import the staircase from the 3D warehouse, so stop doing right now because I have very wonderful trick and shortcut for the staircase. See, if you are trying to do the modeling for the staircase, the time it will take more and time also it will get waste. So to avoid this, what we have to do? Here in extension, we have one very useful extension warehouse that is a Majrel. So that you can easily download. It is absolutely free. You can go for the extension warehouse and you can search for the Majrel. So where you will get, I'll tell you one thing. So go for the extension and extension warehouse and search for the Majrel. So this will come like this. So it is absolutely free. Just go for that. And here you have to install that. Already I have installed this and then you have to give yes. It will ask you has been successfully installed. Then give OK and then close this. So here it will get appear like this. So as you can see, I have already this Majral extension warehouse. So here you will get the multiple types of staircase. In Revit architecture also we will get the simple staircase, L-shaped, then U-shaped staircase, spiral steps, everything we will get as it is by default we are having Revit architecture. But in SketchUp also we can do same thing by using this extension warehouse. So first of all, if you will, so in 3D warehouse also you can import like this staircase. But what we have to do, again, we have to remodify those particular staircase. If you don't want the railing, we have to delete. Again, if you want to change the riser and tread thickness and length, then again we have to do the further modification. Again, our time it will waste in that particular modification. To minimize that thing, we have to use this measure. So first of all, I'll choose this single flight straight staircase. So if I will select here, you will get the option. So it is a very important and what we can useful extension warehouse. So in this, we can edit everything, how much land width you want. So once if you will click, automatically they will ask you to import the value. Now A indicates the step width, means run width you can tell. So usually we will take 2.5 feet to 3 feet. So I'll take it 2.5 feet. Next to that, here it is asking tread depth, how much you want. So here it indicates C. From here to here, this is the tread depth. So I'll take it is 1 feet only. Next to that, slab thickness. So where it is D. D indicates this is a slab thickness. How much you want, that much you can choose. So I'll keep as it is 1 inches. Next to that, stringer depth. So here you will your stringer will come. So I'll keep it 9 inches. Next to that, here handle guiding lines. So that also you can take. So I'll take it 3 feet. Next to that, here riser height. So now B indicates riser height. Here is the riser height. So I'll keep it is 80 inches. You can keep it in between the 6 inches to 1 feet. So how much area you're having, accordingly you can adjust according to the height of slab. Next to that, number of riser. So minimum you can take it 9, maximum how much you want. 10 also I'll take. So as it is, I'll keep, and next to that stringer width again, E indicates stringer width. So here maybe it will not show. So I'll keep it as 3 inches. And next to that handle offset. Offset from here to here. How much handle offset you want, that you can select. So I'll give it. Then next you have to do build staircase. So everything it is done. We have set all the values. Then just give the start point and then end point. Then you can give the direction for your staircase. So I'll give like this. So as you can see here, we have got whatever value we have given. This is a thread thickness. This is a 1 feet and this is a riser height 8 inches we have given. Next to that we have given run width as a 2.5 feet to 2 feet 6 inches. So I hope you understand this is a marginal concept. It is a very informative method in SketchUp. So we are having so much amazing extension warehouse. You can install. It is absolutely free and it will help for you to do the further whatever modeling. So again, in this again we are having build staircase type 2. So here by default I will show you, select the first point and then second point. So like this it is. It is like U shape with this slab. Next to that again I'll give the build staircase start point. So this is without slab. Here by name only they have given. Metal and timber material they have used. This is a dog leg staircase. This is also dog leg staircase. We can call it as a dog leg staircase. Next to that again here second type it is. So we are having almost five type of staircase. Simple type of staircase that is a single flight. First of all, we have learned very fast. Next to that, dog leg staircase with stringer without stringer. Again, this is the fourth one. And next to that, here we are having spiral staircase, which is of round shape. So everything we have ready without any modification we can do before drawing or before doing this importing the staircase only. We have to give the value for whatever trade riser value, run width, how much you want, number of steps, how many you want. Everything you can mention the value and then you can just you have by only one click you will get the all the stair types. Next to that here we are having standard escalator. So here also all the value it will come. Steps width A. This is the width of step. So how much you want? So I'll keep it is 3 feet. Next to that here thickness of side panel. So where it is B, this one thickness how much you want that much you can keep. So I'll keep it 12 inches means 1 feet. Next to that here floor to floor height calculator. So how much height you are having that you have to mention. So I'll take it 10 feet. Next create escalator. First point, second point. So here our escalator it is ready. If you have doubt, you can cross check by using the tape measurement whether we have got correct stairs or not. This is a 3 feet and then next this how much we have given 1 feet. So we are on the correct track. So I hope you have understand this is a this very informative and useful concept that is a marginal. How to install I have already told. If any doubt you can ask me in comment box. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for the watching. Thank you.